Atmospheric in design often comes from details you barely notice but instantly feel. Today, how to create atmospheric speckle overlays. Open your image in Photoshop and create a new black layer above it. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and set amount to around 65% Gaussian monochromatic. Open Levels and drag the white slider left until only scattered bright particles remain. Change blend mode to screen so the particles float over the image. Reduce opacity to about 50% so they blend naturally. Duplicate the layer, scale it larger, and blur it slightly to simulate depth. Add a mask and gently